Hey there, it's Natalie. I wanted to share with you this beautiful little intro kit. This is like the ideal little present that you could gift away to a family member or somebody that might need a little boost up, or it could be a teacher's gift, or a friend's or a birthday or something. Can I show you why? Because it comes in this cute little box. It obviously had the outside packaging that I just took out. You slide that off, and it has a little intro kit info in there. And what it has is a lavender, a lemon, and a peppermint. So 3 oils. They're all at 5 ml, which is 85 drops. And it'll give you a little rundown of explanation of how to use it and what you can do with these oils, plus a little safety information. So that's handy. With these 3 oils, what I'll say is how I use them is peppermint. You could actually make into like a little peppermint tea. It's really good for when you're getting a lot of head tension in that. So you can actually help relieve any tension that way by just rubbing a little bit into the temples. You should dilute it. So either with a fractionated coconut oil or a moisturizer or that sort of thing, rather than putting it straight on your skin to absorb in. Also make sure it's not going to burn your skin or anything. But you can put it into hot water, just 1 little drop. Lemon, again, you can make that into a little lemon tea. It's great for cleansing. It's also really good for cleaning any stickiness that might get in anything. It's really refreshing. So really great one to diffuse. And then lavender, everybody knows about lavender. It's just calming and relaxing. You could put a drop on your pillow slip. You could put it into your bath. You could use it to just help massage into the back of your neck when it's all getting a bit tight. And then the one thing you may not know is that all 3 of these combined together actually is really good for the change of season. So when those sniffles start to come in and that, it's a great one to diffuse. You can put a drop each into a veggie cap and take it internally if you like. You could even make all 3 into a little tea. I just put a little toothpick into each of them, a separate one, so you don't cross-contaminate, and then swivel that around in some hot water and you could drink that, and that will really help if you get susceptible particularly to change of season and different pollens and things around in the air. And it's a beautiful little kit that you could get. So keep that in mind. It's $26.50 at wholesale for it. So it's a neat little spot. Usually I'd say this is more of a gift for someone. If you are thinking about getting started, to get the wholesale price, this will actually work out to be, I did the calculations just a second ago, it works out to be $61.50 with your membership, which means you can just top that up at any time, get any of the extras that you want. My personal preference, if you're actually getting started, would be to go for one of the other enrollment kits. So these are 2 the most cost-effective ways to get started. Okay, so this one's a Bedtime Bliss, ideal for anyone who has any sleep issues, any stress, super anxious feelings, those sort of ones. This is where you want to start. Okay, it's going to come with your fractionated coconut oil and have lavender peace and balance, a peace touch roller, cedarwood, vetiver. This is amazing. Okay, and it comes with a the oil that you want to dilute it down with. It comes with a card to explain how to use it, and that full price for all of that includes your membership and is $174. Okay, so that's super good. The other one you could go, so if you wanted to try and do more things naturally around the home and help treat first aid and all those sort of things, this is more of a full home sort of kit that you want to look at. It's going to come with 10 oils. This is called the Family Essentials Kit. It will also come with a 15 ml of Smart and Sassy, great metabolic blend to help your digestive system, your metabolic system, yeah. And in here it has the 10 most commonly used oils throughout the home, again with explanation sheets. And this also does have your peppermint, lavender, and lemon in it, but it also has frankincense, which is an incredible oil. It's one of the most sought after, the king of the oils, and quite expensive usually, so it's good to get into the kit. Also has Easy Air, which is like your Vicks equivalent, really good for clearing out those airways. On Guard for when the nasties are coming about, your when you want to try and give yourself a little extra protection, or if you're feeling that scratchy throat coming in, you can put a little bit on your glands, again diluting with your fractionated coconut oil and moisturizer. Your Ice Blue for sore tight muscles. Tea Tree, oregano. So tea tree, is really good. It's a great cleanser. It's also handy for any cuts and abrasions and things like that. I use it in like a nit repellent, just a little spritzer with water and a bit of lavender or geranium you can put in that, and use that daily on the kids' hair. and oregano. Oregano is your super immunity booster. So he's an unsung hero in many regards, but he also has helped with warts and skin tags and all different things. But when you're feeling really run down, this is where you'd head towards. So that's neat. And that there is $174 with the Smart and Sassy. So that's great value. And if you can, I'd probably save up for one of these two, would be probably where I'd start. So there's some little tips for you. Reach out if you have any questions, and I'll link up some things below so you can see where to get yours. All right, see you guys.